Are you tired of losing your hard-earned balance on Deriv due to emotional trading or late reactions? We've all been there, staring at the tick charts, hoping for a win, only to see our balance drop because of a single manual mistake. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm introducing you to a total game changer, PivotCore.net. This isn't just another trading tool. It's a professional-grade auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv. PivotCore takes the stress out of your hands by automating your logic with lightning-fast execution. If you want to trade like a professional and remove human error from the equation, you are in the right place. In today's session, I'm putting a very specific and high probability setup to the test, the over 4 and under 5 strategy. The beauty of this approach is its consistency, but to make it work, you need perfect timing. My plan for this video is a disciplined 10-trade sequence with a clear goal of hitting 5 solid wins. By using PivotCore, I don't have to worry about clicking at the wrong millisecond. I've configured the bot to analyze the digit flow in real time and only enter the market when the probability is in our favor. It's about working smarter, not harder, by letting the algorithm do the heavy lifting for you. Watch the bot in action as it executes the plan. Notice the precision and the complete lack of hesitation. As we move through our 10 trades, you can see how PivotCore maintains total discipline. Even when the market gets volatile, the software stays calm and sticks to the over 4, under 5 logic we've set. We are already hitting our winning targets, and the balance is growing steadily. This is the power of automation. It doesn't get greedy, it doesn't get scared, and it never gets tired. For anyone struggling to stay consistent on Deriv, this platform provides the robotic accuracy you need to protect your capital. We've just hit our target of 5 wins out of 10 trades, exactly as planned. This level of consistency is why so many Deriv traders are moving their strategies over to PivotCore.net. It's easy to use, incredibly fast, and built for winners. Why continue to struggle with manual trades when you can automate your success and trade with confidence? Head over to PivotCore.net right now, connect your account, and start your own journey towards smarter trading. Don't leave your success to luck. Leave it to the best automation platform in the game. Check the link in the description to get started today. Happy trading!